Are bugs taking over your garden this summer? You know the ones, little critters munching holes in your lettuce, wilting your zucchini, or devouring your tomatoes overnight. Don't stress. I'm here to help you spot, stop and protect your crops. No harsh chemicals needed. And if you want more down-to-earth garden solutions all season, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Summer brings out the worst in garden pests. Here's my top 5 to watch for. First up, aphids. These tiny green, black or grey insects cluster on new growth and suck out plant juices, leaving leaves curled and weak. Next, tomato hornworms. These are big, bright green caterpillars that can strip tomato or pepper plants almost overnight. Then, squash bugs, brown shield-shaped bugs that make your zucchini and squash vines wilt and collapse. Fourth, cabbage loopers. These green inchworms chew big holes through your kale, lettuce and cabbages. And finally, spider mites. They're so tiny you probably won't spot them, but they leave yellow speckles on leaves and love dry, hot weather. So how do you keep these pests from taking over? Prevention. Start by inspecting your plants every day. Look for eggs, clusters, and that first sign of damage. Early action can save your whole crop. Next, try floating row covers. They make a great barrier against flying insects like squash vine borers and loopers. Companion planting is a secret weapon. Plant marigolds to repel aphids or basil near tomatoes to deter hornworms naturally. And don't forget, healthy soil grows tougher plants. Compost and mulch to build your soil. Strong plants resist pests better every time. But what if pests show up anyway? Here are my go-to eco-friendly fixes. For aphids, blast them off with a strong spray of water or use insecticidal soap. Handpick those hornworms. Trust me, it's so satisfying. Or use BT, a natural bacteria that targets caterpillars. Neem oil is brilliant for mites and loopers. Just spray in the cool parts of the day, morning or evening. And if you want nature's help, release beneficial bugs like ladybugs or lacewings to control infestations for you. Quick note, always read the labels on any treatment, even organic ones. Safety first. So summer pests might be tough, but you're tougher. With the right ID, smart prevention and quick action, your garden can thrive all season long. Do you have a favorite pest control trick? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart gardening tips that actually work. Happy gardening!